Merlin here. Well, I'm going to give you an update on the Hoverstar 2+2. It's here at our new house in Edgewater, and we haven't even got it off the trailer yet because at the moment we can't even get to the engine hoist. They just say moving from a 1,500 square foot shop to a normal 2-car garage with a little small shop beside it has not worked out the greatest. We still have not sorted through all these boxes and stuff. The movers pretty much just shoved everything in the garage when they unloaded stuff, and as you can see, there's everything from Christmas items to who knows what else is all back in here. It's a mess. So until I can get all this stuff sorted out, I do have the BMW engine sitting here. She's covered up and safe and everything. But yeah, until we can get stuff sorted out more, because the other storage building here, I finally got enough stuff moved to one side where I was able to get the helicopter in and make enough room to actually walk through here. But I've got one of these little Harbor Freight portable garage things I'm putting up. I got slowed down on putting it up because we had Hurricane Elsa come through, so there was no need in putting the top on this thing with the hurricane coming through. So anyway, as soon as we can get the this thing up and put a bunch of stuff in here, then we should be able to store more stuff in here and get the garage cleaned out to where we can get the engine hoist out. But you can see the engine hoist is crammed in here pretty tight, so we're not gonna be getting that out right away. I'm gonna try to move some stuff around hopefully today and maybe get to where we can get some of this out. But anyway, there's the Hoverstar. She's on the trailer. She's safe. Again, we have to thank John Carter for storing the Hoverstar and the carport cruiser at his place. Look, we even got a lizard here down the side. He wants to hang out on the Hoverstar. So anyway, that's what we're looking at. It's still a mess. I did start trying to scrape off some of this old paint and stuff where they had some lettering on there that was like really crappy painted on. But yeah, getting this thing off the trailer is going to be another adventure. But we'll see what we can come up with. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.